guys, it's Avery. So today's video is more of a professional video other than my vlogs. I am going to be doing a makeup routine, and it is like a natural, subtle, everyday makeup routine for me. And this video is actually a collab, and it is with Maya GV. She's doing a makeup routine for you guys as well. So if you want to go over to her channel and check out her video, I highly recommend it. And leave a comment down below in her video saying that I sent you. Anyways, subscribe if you're new, like this video if you do like it, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so to start off, my makeup bag that I use is from Mossy, I think that's what it says. I honestly don't even know what brand it's from. I think I got it from Target, and it's just a really light like turquoise color, and like it has like reptile skin kind of looking on it. Okay, so I'm doing my makeup routine natural and subtle, but to be honest, every day is like a natural and subtle day for me, so I guess you could also call this my everyday makeup routine. It kind of goes both ways. So first off, I am using the Aveeno Clear Complexion Daily Moisturizer. I used to use Imperial's moisturizer by Lush, but I was gonna actually order this again after that one ran out, but I decided just to try something new. So I decided to try this, and it actually is working really well. It does help prevent breakouts for clear, even looking skin. So if you can have that in a moisturizer, I think that's really nice. And I do put moisturizer down my neck because they say that your neck is what ages first. So if you can prevent it from wrinkles and keep it hydrated, then why wouldn't you? So after I use the moisturizer, I take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I just use it under my eyes where it's kind of like I didn't get enough sleep or I have under eye circles. So I just put some of it underneath there, and then I just put it over just the few acne spots that I do have. So I always just take my finger, dip it into this part of the foundation stick, and then I just put a couple dots underneath my eyes. Okay, and then once I did that, then I just rub it under my eyes, and I do it on top of my eyelids as well, because I feel like when you look tired, it's also like the top part of your eyes that look tired too, because like you can see like all the veins and stuff, and I don't really like that look, so yeah. I hope this is focused on me the whole time. I haven't really been watching it. And then I put just a little bit on my cheeks, because then I'm going to be putting blush on my cheeks, and I want it to be pink instead of like blending in with my natural like blush pink on my skin. So then after I do that, then I just take my eyebrow brush and just brush on my eyebrows. I do not fill in my eyebrows. I was just blessed with good eyebrows, I guess. I use the It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil, if you were wondering. And then the blush that I use is just the e.l.f. blush, and it actually has a blush on one side and contour. I think it's definitely called like contour, right? My sister is gonna kill me when she's watching this because she's very into makeup and stuff. Sorry, Carly, but I don't know what that's called. Anyways, I just take the blush part and then just put some of it on my cheeks, and then it's kind of like a 50-50 if I use my blush or not. Like if I wake up in the morning and I decide I want blush, then I put blush on, otherwise I don't. And I decided to do it for the video since I have minimal makeup products that I put on my face every morning anyways. Moving on to mascara. I use the Great Lash Maybelline mascara, and I use the Blackest Black shade. Is there a shade with mascaras, or is it just shade with eyeshadows? I don't know. But this is the one that I use, and I honestly think that this is the best mascara out there. I think it even says it, or it used to say it on the product. It says like #1 mascara or whatever. It's so underrated, but My friends always ask me how I have really long eyelashes, and this is how. I just realized you can't even really see me that much. Okay. I think that that's good. Usually if I want a more like thicker look, I'll go over it again. And then last but not least, I just put on some chapstick, and I use the Burt's Bees Pomegranate Lip Balm. And I don't know why it looks like it tints my lips, because in real life it doesn't, but it looks like lipstick and it's not. So that is my subtle everyday makeup routine. So that is it for my makeup routine video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.